Hi, I'm sorry for the lack of videos again. Like I said, finals, and I also got ScreenFlow today. So I convinced my dad to let me buy it, and I convinced myself to let me buy it. Okay, so today I'm going to do a video with NeoOffice about the drawing application. So to get to it, just go to drawing. I've only done a video so far on the presentation. Okay, so the layout is kind of like the presentation one. On the side, there's like it says slide 1 pages here. Okay, so here's your page, and you can, on the bottom here, there's a toolbar. There's selection tool, line, arrow, like auto shapes here, text. This is the curve tool, which I'm gonna go over first. Connector, more auto shapes like bubbles, stars, points, glue, font work gallery from file, like if you want to open something, gallery, effects, alignment, range, and yeah. So first I'm going to go over the curve tool. If you come down here to freeform line, you can draw, obviously, a freeform line. And as you draw, it's dotted. Then once you drew it, you can make it bigger or smaller and all that stuff. And you can also change the line color by coming up here. And the way you choose the color is kind of odd, but and then that changed the color. And there's another tool. It's freeform line filled, and if I draw, it fills in here. And then if I change the color here, red, it'll, oh sorry, that's the line color. To change the inside color, you come over here to area style / filling, and you can change the inside color. But you can also make it so it's not just a plain color. You can make it a gradient, hatching, bitmap, or invisible. So if I do gradient, here it has preset gradients that you can choose from. Another cool feature is if I come up here to 3D effects, you can change the depth, and you can change up here the illumination, where the light comes from, by moving this around, and you'll see the light on that little sphere thing. And you can change with the light sources. And I haven't messed around with this much because I don't really need to use it, but I'm sure that there's a lot that you can do. And then you can change the object color and the illumination color. And as you change it, it changes in this little preview box. And then you apply it by just clicking the check mark. And then, as you can see, makes it look pretty cool. If you've ever used Microsoft Word, which most of you probably have, on the bottom, on the draw toolbar, it's a lot of the same stuff as that. You can make pretty complex images by just using these auto shapes. Also, if you come to font work gallery, you can choose any of these, kind of like word art. So if I was to choose this one, okay, I can double click it and a smaller text will come up. That's where you edit it. So I can type hello and then press enter, or sorry, just unclick it and it'll say hello. And then if it's selected, you can change its 3D settings or the color, the 3D color. So if I were to make it to like dark violet, the shadow here changes. Green, now it's green. And then this is the shape, so you can make it like automatically to this one, but I can make it like this. And then I can again change where the light's coming from. And I can change if it's normal, really bright, or dim. Lots of stuff you can do. And at the top here, the toolbar is new, open, save. This is email. Print it, undo, redo. You can add a chart, and it just gives you a little automatic chart. And I don't really, if you double click on it, you can change the style of the lines here, because I'm on lines area, so you can change the fill color, make it transparent. Can add shadows, and I mean, it's just a basic drawing application. It's cool that it comes with all this stuff, and there's not much to it. It's easy to use. I don't know why it shows you all the slides here, and the only really bad thing about it is if I'm take this tool here, I draw outside the page, it still like lets you draw, but you don't know that it, well, you know it's outside the page, but I mean, I don't know how to get it so the layout shows it so it's like a whole page. Like I've tried going to view, you go to master, I mean, it doesn't really do anything. If you go zoom, entire page, I don't know how to get it so it kind of displays like this whole thing is your canvas, but so that's pretty much all I have to show you. And again, I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a while. Please give me video suggestions, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and please comment.